Hello everyone, welcome to ridhimaacreations. Today I'll be showing you how to create simple yet beautiful flowers using ribbon embroidery. Ribbon embroidery, as the name suggests, is a form of three-dimensional embroidery in which you can stitch beautiful designs such as these intricate, realistic flowers shown here with ribbons instead of embroidery thread. The advantage of ribbon embroidery is that you can cover a lot more area with stitches in far less time than you would with thread. The end result is, however, simply stunning. Before we start off with the tutorial, I wanted to share with you our collection of hand-stitched ribbon embroidered handbags or Potli bags. You can see the wide variety of beautiful floral patterns embroidered on these silk purses. These make great return gifts for special occasions such as weddings, housewarming ceremonies, etc. If you are interested to order these from us, you can call or WhatsApp us at 919901673127 or even email us. Let's start with the tutorial. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing to ridhimaacreations and hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever we upload a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram at ridhimaacreations. These are the materials that you'll need: a measuring tape, scissors, a bottle cap, a white color pencil or marking chalk, a cutter, an embroidery hoop. You can use an 8-inch or a 10-inch diameter hoop. Raw silk fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice. You'll also need large eye needles so it is easy to thread the ribbon. Finally, you'll need satin ribbons of width 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. The online purchase links for all the supplies used in this video are mentioned in the description box, so do check it out. As I'm going to stitch a handbag, I have cut 2 equal pieces of cloth. You can use a single piece of cloth. I'm folding the fabric into half and giving a cut at the top for later reference. Make a marking 2 inches from the bottom using the measuring tape. Using the bottle cap as a guide, draw 3 circles close to each other. This is where we'll embroider the flowers. Now, let us fix the fabric in the embroidery hoop or frame. Make sure the fabric is tight and there are no wrinkles. Mark the center of the flowers with a small circle. This is the entry and the exit point of our needle. For every petal that we make, we'll be starting and ending the stitch at the center of the circle. Since we'll be making the flower petals first, I am using this light baby pink colored satin ribbon and threading the large-eyed needle with it. This satin ribbon is 1/2 inch wide. Cut the ribbon at about 1 feet in length and knot the other end. We'll be using the ribbon stitch to make the petals for this flower. This is a very simple stitch. The first step is to insert the needle into the fabric from the back side and pull it out from the top. If you're finding it difficult to pull out the ribbon from the cloth, you can also use a needle puller. Make sure that the ribbon lays flat against the fabric. Now from the opposite side, insert the needle back into the fabric right at the center of the ribbon, and this is at the edge of the circle that we have marked. Slowly pull the ribbon from the back so that the loop becomes smaller and smaller. A little bit of the loop should still be visible. You can see the ribbon automatically taking the shape of a petal. Now let's make the other petals in a similar fashion. There's no hard and fast rule as to the number of petals that you have to make. Just make sure that the entire circle gets covered. When you reach the last petal, the very important step is to knot the ribbon properly so that it does not unfurl. For this, I am trimming the excess ribbon, cutting it into half from the back side and tying a knot. Our flower is ready. I am completing the other two flowers. You can see how beautiful the flowers are looking. You can also embellish the centers by sticking any kundans or pearls of your choice. This will only increase the beauty of the flowers. To make the leaves, I am using 1/2 inch wide green satin ribbon. I am threading the large-eyed needle with this ribbon too, like we did previously. Tie a knot at the other end. I have not made any markings for the leaves, but if you wanted to make it convenient for yourself, you can make markings where the leaves will be embroidered. Using the same ribbon stitch, I am going to make a couple of leaves around the flowers. Insert the needle from the back side, pull it out from the top, and from the opposite direction, insert the needle back into the fabric and pull it from the back side till a small loop remains at the corner. You can see with ribbon embroidery how easily you can cover a lot of space in very less time. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe to my channel. This simple 3-flower pattern is now complete. I have used a French knot stitch to embroider the center of the flowers with a darker shade of pink. You can even stick kundans. These are some of the other flowers that I have embroidered. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also like and share it with all your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.